An amazing discovery in an abandoned house in Austin, Texas, has left all neighbors in shock and police searching for answers. A lost book, believed to have been long vanished to history, has been found in a dusty drawer in the house which belonged to a guy Claude Davis. Neighbors said that for the last couple of years Claude has tried to unearth and learn the forgotten ways of our great-grandparents and claimed to have found a secret of gargantuan proportions. A secret that he is about to reveal, together with 3 old teachings that will change everything you think you know about preparedness. Lost survival lessons that will make anything you know about prepping obsolete. We've lost to history so much survival knowledge that we become clueless in front of what our great-grandfathers did or built on a daily basis to sustain their families. People really should avert their gaze from the modern survival thinking for just a bit and also look at how folks 150 years ago did it. Click here below to find out what our great-grandfathers did or built around the house.